Hello everyone. Let's learn how to create this kind of text manipulation in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Now, select any selection tool and go to Select, Subject. Once the subject is selected, right-click on the image and click on Copy via Layer option. Select the original layer and add a solid color layer for the background. Select the text tool and write down your text. Then place the text over the subject. Right-click on the text layer and click on Convert to Smart Object option. Now, press Ctrl+T, then right-click and select the Warp option. Adjust the text in the shape of the subject, something like this. Now, right-click on the text layer and click on Select Pixels. Select the subject layer and then create a mask. Turn off the text layer. Select the mask layer. Then select the brush tool and make sure the color is white. Keep the opacity and smoothing at 100%. Now, start painting over both ends of the subject to make them visible. Now, right-click on the subject layer and click on the blending option. Here, click on the Drop Shadow option. Now adjust the properties as per mine. Hit OK. We are done here. Let's see the final output. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.